Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Flagship out front of our apartment building here in Columbus, Georgia that we bought and are currently renovating, getting ready to start leasing them out. Let's take a look around at what we're doing. And here we are on Peacock Avenue in Columbus, Georgia. Really great area here in Midtown Columbus. You got some kind of surrounded by businesses. You got business here, tax service here, and then you've got some other kind of houses and apartment buildings next to us. So it's a mix of commercial and residential. You can kind of see in the background, you can see Aflac's corporate headquarters in Columbus here, and in range of us here. So pretty good area for these apartments. What you've got here is you've got a single family house in the front. We've already replaced the roof on the house and all the apartment units. So you've got a single family house in the front. It'll be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house when we're done with it. And then you've got 6 apartment units in the back. We'll go show you those. You can see this is the end of the single family house. And then you've got the apartment units here. So you've got 3 up top, 3 on the bottom. They're all 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. And then it's all on one roof line, and they're connected here. As you can see straight through there where he's walking into, there's a little storage building that we're gonna rent out to tenants as well. So we'll have 2 storage units for tenants to use as well. We'll walk you through one of the units. They are working primarily on the apartments to start. They just started in the main house, so they haven't done a whole lot in the main house, but these apartment units are getting pretty close to being done. We've got a few little things to do. Let's walk you around back first and show you the back. We need to clean up this area a little bit. All the HVAC units were stolen from this property. It had been vacant for a while, as you can see. So we're gonna add all new HVAC units. We've shored up these porches, painted the rails and everything. So getting pretty close to being done here. Got a lot of guys out here working. So got electricians, flooring guys, and the crew handling the main house. Here we are inside unit 2. So the 6 apartment units, 4 of them look exactly like this. So you've got your kind of main living area here. They've painted the walls, got the floors in. They've got granite in the kitchens, painted the cabinets. So we just got some touch-up stuff to do. We got to replace that hot water heater in here specifically. But yeah, they're starting to look good. 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. They're all 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. 2 of the corner units are a little bit bigger than these that I'm walking through now, but they all pretty much look the exact same. We've got, paint, closet doors. Yeah, so pretty nice units. And here we are inside the main front house. Pretty good sized house. I think it's about 1,800 square feet. Gonna be a lot of noise in here. These guys are in here working, but they're prepping everything to get going in here. We're gonna take these hardwood floors, refinish them. So that's part of the process. Got a front bedroom here. Pretty standard stuff in the house. Paint everything, new lights, etc. This room is where kind of this creative thing we're doing is put up a wall along here, make this a bedroom and add a bathroom here. They're working on knocking this wall out to add our bathroom. And then you can see the kitchen here. Kitchen, we're gonna save the cabinets, just paint them. There was a big hole in the ceiling. They've kind of shored that up. So things are rocking and rolling. This house is gonna be great.